Some gadgets solve tiny problems. Others feel like they came from 5 years in the future. In this countdown, we are going from clever desk upgrades to AI robots, extreme cooling systems, flying cameras, and even an underwater drone. And trust me, the top 3 completely change what a gadget can do. Welcome back to QYSEA Gadgets. Let's start the countdown. Number 15. ANYTROX Clip Wireless Microphone. Bad audio can ruin a great video in seconds. This tiny clip-on microphone fixes that without making your setup complicated. Attach it to your shirt, connect the receiver, and start recording almost instantly. Your voice sounds clearer, background noise becomes less distracting, and you can move freely without holding a bulky microphone. You can visibly step away from the camera while the sound stays close and direct. Clip it on, press record, and your phone suddenly feels like a compact creator studio. It looks simple, but for vloggers, interviews, live streams, or quick product videos, this could be the easiest upgrade on the list. And the next gadget turns your desk into something far more unusual. Number 14. Nixie Tube Retro Desk Clock. Most desk clocks are easy to ignore. This one demands attention. Its glowing numbers look like they came from an old science lab, giving your setup a warm retro-futuristic style that instantly stands out. Watch the digits light up inside the glass tubes as the time changes. In a dark room, the soft glow turns an ordinary desk into something that feels cinematic. It does more than show the time. It becomes part of the room's personality. That makes it perfect for offices, gaming setups, or anyone tired of boring digital displays. And the next gadget does not just look cool. It can actually make hot days easier. Number 13. Cooling Fan with Misting. A normal fan only moves hot air around. This one adds a fine mist, making the breeze feel colder the moment it reaches your skin. Fill the water tank, switch it on, and you can actually see the cool vapor spread across your desk, patio, or bedside table. The fan pushes air forward while the mist helps take the edge off dry summer heat. It is especially useful when full air conditioning feels unnecessary or too expensive. That retro clock made your desk look cooler. This device makes it feel cooler. And the next product adds sound, color, and personality all at once. Number 12. Divoom Ditoo Pixel Speaker. This looks like a tiny retro computer, but it is really a speaker, pixel display, and desk companion in one. Play music, create colorful animations, show the time, or turn your workspace into a glowing mini arcade. You tap the keyboard. The screen changes instantly. Pixel art dances while your music plays, making the whole desk feel more alive. The misting fan made your space more comfortable. This one gives it personality. It is perfect for gamers, collectors, or anyone who wants a desk gadget people immediately notice. And the next product brings a piece of nature indoors. Number 11. Moss Terrarium Humidifier. Most humidifiers look like plain plastic boxes. This one looks like a tiny living forest. Soft mist rises above the moss-style landscape, turning dry air into something calmer, cooler, and far more relaxing to watch. Place it beside your bed or monitor, switch it on, and the miniature scene slowly fills with fog. The visible mist adds moisture while also creating the feeling of a peaceful terrarium after rain. The Pixel speaker made your desk more playful. This makes it feel alive. It is perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or anyone who wants comfort without another boring appliance. And the next gadget takes cooling power to a completely different level. Number 10. Shark TurboBlade Fan. Some fans cool one small spot. This one is built to move air across the entire room. Its wide, blade-style design pushes a strong stream of airflow while still looking cleaner and more modern than a bulky floor fan. Turn it on, and you can see curtains move from across the room. Angle the airflow upward, spread it wider, or direct it exactly where the heat feels worst. The Terrarium Humidifier created a calm little atmosphere. This fan brings serious practical cooling. And the next gadget protects your home without making you search for your keys. Number 9. Yale Smart Lock. Keys are easy to lose, copy, or forget. This smart lock replaces the daily hassle with faster, more flexible access. Unlock the door with a code, your phone, or approved access for family and guests. Then check whether the door is locked without walking back home. You tap the keypad. The lock clicks open. When someone arrives, you can give them temporary access instead of hiding a spare key outside. The last fan improved comfort. This device improves peace of mind. It is especially useful for busy families, rentals, or anyone who constantly wonders, did I lock the door? But the next gadget is built for a completely different kind of guest. Number 8. Barsys 360 Cocktail Machine. Making cocktails usually means measuring, mixing, and hoping the flavor comes out right. This machine turns that process into something almost automatic. Choose a drink, load the ingredients, and watch as it rotates, dispenses, and builds the cocktail for you. The glass moves around the base while each ingredient drops in at the right moment. Within seconds, your kitchen counter starts feeling like a futuristic home bar. The Smart Lock welcomed guests safely. This device gives them a reason to stay. And the next gadget is something you will want before stepping outside in extreme heat. Number 7. TORRAS COOLiFY Wearable Neck Air Conditioner. A neck fan only blows warm air around. This wearable cooler goes further by sending airflow around your neck while its cooling surfaces help pull heat away from your skin. Put it on before commuting, working outside, or walking through summer crowds, and relief starts almost immediately. You can see the vents pushing air upward while the cooling plates rest against your neck. No wet towel. No handheld fan. Your hands stay completely free. The cocktail machine made staying indoors more fun. This device makes stepping outside far less painful. And somehow, the next gadget may be even more impressive, because it can actually play chess with you. Number 6. AI GoChess Smart Chessboard. This is not just a chessboard. It is a physical game powered by an invisible opponent. Set up the pieces, choose a difficulty level, and the board can guide moves, track the match, and let you play against people online without staring at a screen. You move a piece. Lights show the response. Then the opponent's piece glides across the board almost like it moved by itself. The wearable cooler helped your body beat the heat. This board helps your brain stay sharp. It makes solo practice feel alive. But the next gadget adds something even stranger. A tiny AI companion that fits in your pocket. Number 5. Aibi Pocket AI Pet. What if your next digital assistant felt less like a tool and more like a tiny companion? This pocket-sized AI pet can react to your voice, recognize faces, show emotions, and respond with playful movements that make every interaction feel more personal. Place it on your desk, call its name, and watch its eyes light up as it turns toward you. It can remind you about tasks, answer simple questions, and bring a little personality into an otherwise quiet room. The smart chessboard challenged your mind. This one targets something more emotional, companionship. All product links are in the description and pinned comment below. Which would you choose, the chessboard or this tiny AI pet? Comment below and subscribe, because the next 4 gadgets are on another level. Number 4. 8 Sleep Pod Smart Cooling System. You can buy a better mattress, softer pillows, and blackout curtains, but one hot night can still destroy your sleep. This smart cooling system changes the temperature of each side of the bed, helping you fall asleep cooler and wake up more comfortably. Watch the bed adjust through the night while each person gets a different temperature. One side can stay cool, while the other feels warmer, so no one has to compromise. The tiny AI pet added personality to your desk. This system upgrades nearly 1/3 of your life. And the next gadget does not wait beside your bed. It rolls across your desk and reacts to you like a real little robot. Number 3. LOOI Desktop Robot. Your phone usually sits on the desk doing nothing. This robot gives it a face, wheels, and a surprising amount of personality. Mount your phone, and it can follow movement, react to your voice, display expressions, and roll toward you when you call. Wave your hand, and it turns to look. Walk across the room, and it tracks you like a tiny digital pet. It can also become a smart assistant, video call companion, or playful desk distraction. The smart cooling system improved your nights. This robot makes everyday work feel less lonely. And we have not even reached the top 2, where the gadgets leave the desk completely. Number 2. Hover Air X1 Pro Max. Most drones make you stop, unfold everything, and learn complicated controls. This flying camera is built to launch fast and follow you almost automatically. Hold it in your hand, let it lift off, and it can track your movement while capturing smooth footage from above. You start walking. The camera rises, locks onto you, and follows without needing a traditional controller. That makes solo travel shots, biking clips, and outdoor videos much easier. The desktop robot followed you across the room. This one follows you into the real world. But number 1 goes somewhere even drones cannot reach. Number 1. QYSEA FIFISH V6 Underwater Drone. Flying drones show you the world from above. This one reveals the world hidden below. Lower it into the water, and its camera dives deep while you control the direction from the surface. Watch it glide past rocks, fish, and underwater structures in real time. It can inspect boats, explore reefs, or capture footage most people could never reach on their own. The flying camera followed you across land. This underwater drone enters an entirely different world. That is why it takes number 1. It does not just record an adventure. It unlocks one. From a tiny wireless microphone to a drone that explores beneath the water, these gadgets prove that smart tech is getting more useful, more personal, and much harder to ignore. Which product would you actually buy, and which one feels completely unnecessary? Drop your pick in the comments and subscribe to QYSEA Gadgets for more future-ready inventions. All product links are in the description and pinned comment below, so check them before they change or sell out.
We're a small team finding the best gadgets for you every week. Hit subscribe, and thanks for being here. See you next time.